How to change withdrawal method on OneXBet. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the OneXBet app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now, in order to change the withdrawal method, you need to go to your account settings. Here in this home screen at the bottom right, you can see this menu option. Tap on it. In this menu page, at the top right corner, you can see the settings gear icon. Select that. Now that you're in the settings page, at the top, you can see this withdraw method. Tap on it. Now you will be taken to the withdraw funds page. In this page, you can find different withdraw methods. You can explore through the options. It has many withdraw methods listed over here. In the top, you can see this payment systems in your region option, and it is enabled right now. If you enable this option, it will give you the payment method available in your local region. So it will be easy to withdraw funds from your OneXBet account. You can go through the list and select your preferred method. You can fill out the further details and you can easily withdraw the money. If you want to change the withdrawal method, all you need to do is select another method over here. You can simply choose another withdrawal method and similarly fill out the details accordingly. You will be able to withdraw funds easily in this way. So that's how you can change withdrawal methods in OneXBet accounts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.